bailando que va vino.
We should clear the diseased tree and start a new growth over there.
Let's get to work. We'll start planting a new trees. Thanks, Moana.
Dad, I'm worried about the harvest. We'll grow more healthy trees soon.
Your grandma, was she making up to scare us?
She's not making it up.
Then how does she know this?
She says she communicates with our ancestors. I want to go out and find out the truth.
We have everything we need right here. We're going to have a clear tree. Do you want to come?
I'll catch up with you later, okay? There's a whole world out there. I know it. Try just a different bait.
Not a bait, Chief. Every day we go out and there's nothing. We need help. We can't find fish soon. What have you got to do? If there are no fish and no coconuts, this is awful.
We should fish beyond the reef. No one goes beyond the reef. I know, but if there are no fish in the lagoon, there's a whole ocean.
There's nothing beyond the reef but danger.
We don't know what's out there.
No one goes beyond the reef.
It's hard on you
It's because he doesn't get me.
because it was you, drawn to the ocean. He and his best friend went past the reef. The waves crashed down and it overturned the canoe. Your dad couldn't save him. The ocean can save you.
Who are you? We are your ancestors.
You are the only one who can stop Tika's destruction.
We will show you the way. Go and find Melvin. He stole the heart of the island and he must get it back.
turn, she takes every trail she tries. Car she makes every road leads back to a place I know I cannot go or long to be. The light inside me see, it calls me, and now I know where it goes. The wind must never cease, stays behind me. There I I know everybody in this island seems so happy in this island. Everything is by design. I know everybody in this island has a rule in this island, so maybe can rule with mine. Keeping pride to make us strong, I'll be satisfied if I play along. It's time to take a song. What's wrong with me? It's like the time to see, it's blinding. No one knows how deep it goes. Please don't find me and let me know. Look beyond that line, will I cross that line? I'm trying to sing, it calls me. No one knows where it goes. If the winds of my sound and sea stays behind me, one day I'll know how far I'll go. Maui, anyone here? Everything looks so deserted. Hey! Wait! Are you Maui? Hero men. What? Maui, shapeshifter. Demigod of Weymouth, hero men and women. Maui is hero of all. I interrupted from the top.
Hold on, I'm here to...
Of course, Maui has a type of fan.
I'm not your fan. I'm here because you stole the heart of Tikiti.
You were board our boat and sail across the ocean and bring it back. It almost sounds like you don't like me, which is impossible because I got stuck here for 1,000 years trying to get the heart for you mortals. So I believe you're trying to say is thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Wait, what?
I see what's happening here. You face to face with greatness and it's strange. You don't even know how you feel. It's adorable. Well, it's nice to see it. Humans never change. Open your eyes, left skin. Yes, this really needs Maui. Bring it in. I know it's the last to have by. Then you're staring at the sky. What can I say except you're welcome? The tide, the sun, the sky. Hey, you're welcome. Because we ordered everybody down. Hey,
tried, Grandma. I couldn't do it.
It's not your fault. I asked too much of you. If you're ready to go home, I will be with you. I know a girl from an island. She stands apart from the crowd. She loves the sea and her people. She makes her whole family proud. Your whole family. Sometimes the world seems against you. The journey may lead you some. The skies may feel like just where you are. The deep love will change you. The things you have will guide you. Nothing on earth can silence that quiet voice inside you. And when that voice starts to whisper, Moana, you've come so far. Moana, listen. Do you know who you are?
Who am I? I am a girl who loves my island and a girl who loves the sea. It calls me. She's a daughter of a chief. We are descended from voyagers from the lake across the world. They call me. You delivered us to where we are. You have journeyed farther. You have everything we've done and more. Still it calls me. The love is inside me. It's like a tide, always falling and rising. I'll carry you in my heart, you'll remind me. Come one day, I know the way. I am the one. Hold my tongue today.
Tika approaching through the smoke. Moana sails her canoe straight towards Tika. Moana sails through the angry seas. Tika moves closer, ready to strike. Maui flies around Tika, drawing attention away from Moana. Tika strikes Maui with a forceful blow. Moana gives the hat to Tika. Tika's beaten! Maui apologizes for stealing the heart, and TPT falls in a deep sleep. Moana! You're back! We were so scared!
I missed you.
Hey! I need to... Hey.
Hello.
I need to do it.
I have so much to tell you all.
Everyone